guys. I don't know.
What a beautiful experience that was.
Yeah.
We just walked in off the street.
But eventually, I will not be able to take everything that people are giving us. So many things.
I know. We got gifts. We got gifts.
Yeah.
We got Krabu.
Yeah.
They just we walked off out the street and they invited us in and gave us a chair to sit and showed us how to make pibi pollo and how it got buried on the ground to cook. And they said before you leave town, because we gotta get the 5 o'clock bus out of town, so they said before you leave town, stop in, we will give you a slice of pibi pollo to try, because it takes an hour and a half to cook.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do that, and we will bring you the video so you can see.
Yeah.
Wow, I feel so good here. They treat you like your family.
Bad and good at the same time.
They treat you like your relatives, like your long lost family.
Yes. Yes.
Welcome to Mexico, guys. That's the way things work.
This is the way it is here.
That's for sure.
Las tradiciones.
Sí. Oh, sí. Wow, está bueno. Sí. Here we are, guys. Look. They took the pibi pollo out of the ground. That's what it looks like. And it has been cooked. See, here we have another one. These are still wrapped up. And they were all cooked on the ground for an hour and a half. Super high temperatures, guys. Really cool to see. And these people invite us back to come and check it out. And they're gonna give us a piece to try. Where are you, Maria? A ver, ¿dónde está ella? She is coming right now. And then at 5 o'clock, we gotta get the bus back to Tenabo.
¿Ya vio eso?
Sí.
¿Ya le tomó la foto?
Look at that, guys.
Yeah.
Look at that. Fresh out of the underground oven.
Frijolito, no.
And that's the one without any chicken in it, just beans. Ooh, qué bonito. It's smoking. Smoking hot.
Oiga lo que pasó. Voy a poner. Siéntese. Ay, gracias.
¿Puedo agarrar la mitad de esto?
Pues que no puedes comer, yo lo termino para ti. Sí, yo lo como.
Okay, muy bien. ¿Qué lo quieres
Así
hacer?
yo siempre. Ella nunca come toda su comida, yo termino, por eso estoy gordo.
Sí, sí.
So guys, this wonderful family here,
Wow.
they invited us for pibi pollo. Look at that. That's the one I was showing you how they were cooking it underground. And they told us to come back and give it a try. So check it out.
Está rico.
Y si le hablamos en maya, ¿me entienden?
Nunca, jamás iba a entender.
Delicious.
Ni que lo ponga en Google Translate no lo hace.
No,
No lo agarra.
no hay.
No, ahorita por acá, eso, la maya, ahorita.
Es mucho más complicado que el
So
inglés.
this is so tasty, guys. This is genuine Mayan pibi pollo cooked underground. It's cooked in a pit.
Delicioso.
A pit with flaming hot rocks and charcoal.
Chile no. Después en Chile no.
It is so good. So good.
Es delicioso.
Absolutely delicious.
Increíble.
Muchas gracias a tu familia por esto. Es una experiencia que nunca vamos a olvidar.